Let me see, I said. I still have to talk to the guy. I have always considered women in my life. Shut up. No, I'm not so particular about security because I can take care of myself. I do not even want them around my house. Kaya ako nag-iinit yung, hindi ako maksibat talaga. Hindi, alam mo na, kagaya ko. You have your, meron rin ako. Kasi kung sunod sa malaman, natuloy ng mga buwak. Kaya yung isang gabi talagang, pati si Inday Sara, I went to the house of my first wife. Abutan ko that she was in tantrum, si Inday Sara, kasi galit siya doon sa mga task force na nag-standby sa harap ng bahay niya. Pinaalis niya, tumago lang isang kanto. With more reason, pinainit nila yung ali, wala. Ako rin. So pagbaba ko, may police, may priso. Si El Chapo ka, kung ganun. Drug, lalo. Naman ako si El Chapo. Do you have to? I need it. I need it to combat crime and to deter. No? Sabi mo, patay ka tapos isipin mo, talagang yung nandyan na, okay na lang yan. Patandain natin sila. So you die there, sleep there, Mona Lisa. You die there. Again, hindi ko nakuha mo. First 100 days, what do you mean, 100,000 killed? No, I will just do exactly what I promised. I am there to control or suppress crime. You cannot prevent all crimes because usually concubinage and adultery are committed in secret, in sub rosa. Those are crimes under the revised penal code which you can hardly stop. Kaya magsabi nila 100% impossible. Talagang imposible. There are crimes which you cannot control. Si ma'am, nakahiya naman sa iyo, ma'am. Mapapatampuhin talaga itong babaeng to. Ikaw, ito yung tigira, ito ng inquiry. Sige na. If we begin the talks, I'm satisfied that we are dealing in good faith. I will call it Ross and maybe consider releasing all political prisoners as part of the confidence building. Gusto ko si Dilima bumalik na wala pa. Wala pa akong depende sa
ladies and gentlemen, we are sorry about the lack of time to respond to all your questions.
I have with us here now is si Ma'am Villar, Senator Villar. Coco, si Speaker ang idol ko, ang amo ko. Another Speaker in the offing. Another Villar.
We are now proceeding with the signing of the Coalition for Change agreement between the PDP Laban and the Nationalista Party. Please give way. Baba muna tayo lahat. We'll just proceed with this signing, and the mayor needs to attend to a lot of well-wishers. So we are really sorry that for lack of time we cannot answer any questions.
We can resume after. I have to attend to the diplomatic duties first. Nandito yung tatlong ambassador. After that, we can go as far as mga 4 o'clock in the morning. Sige mo.
Signing in behalf of the PDP Laban is Party President Senator Coco Pimentel, and in behalf of the Nationalista Party, former Speaker of the House and Senate President Manny Villar. Okay, take your best shot. Upo daw yun sa front, please. Give way to those at the back. Paki ano. Pwedeng upo yung nasa harap. Okay. Upo. Ang TV sa likod hindi nakakakuha. Pakiupo yung nasa harap. Yung may kalo na itim. Pakiupo. Yung mga sa likod mo hindi nakakakuha. Ladies and gentlemen, the mayor has to go down to meet his guests and visitors. Please give way. Agreement, coalition agreement. We'll find a copy and do
Coalition agreement for change.
Yes.
Yung binabasa na lang.
Was my childhood friend. He was our valedictorian. Kindergarten valedictorian up to, I think, ano yan siya? Ako 75 lang. Hanggang pag-graduate ng College of Law. Pero trabahante ko sila ngayon. Arto Gade, was a valedictorian sa College of Law sa San Beda. Ako 75 lang. Pero sabi ko, Likang, trabaho ka dito sa akin. Trabaho ka? Ganun lang ang buhay. So, kayo dyan sa dahan-dahan lang. Ano pa man buhay. Weather lang, tama talaga si No drinking. No drinking in all public places and even alleys. Ito yung magpunta ako ng Tondo, nakita ko do not do that. If you do not have a house, then do not drink. In pub, do not make it as a substitute of a place for drinking. All. And the police must arrest all drinking people in public. Alcoholic, ang ibig sabihin. Do not occupy streets. Kagaya dito minsan yung highway patrol. He not only drinks, naghumihingi pa doon sa kapitbahay niya. drinking must stop in all public places, lalo na mga plaza. Itong sa transacting public, if he applies, let me go back. Bigyan mo siya ng shopping list. The requirements to i-produce mo. That list is final. Huwag mong dagdagan, huwag mong kunan. Huwag mong pabalik-balikin ang tao at sinabi, ito pala kulang pa ito. Give him or her exactly what is needed. And pag na-submit na yan, that is it. Bigyan mo ng stub, plastic or whatever. That's para hindi masira. Then pag-apply niya, the government employee receiving the papers, wherever, pati Malacanang, pirmahan niya yung date, kanyang date. Receive from Mr. Blanc Mona the following papers for application. 1, 2, 3, 1. He has been, lahat ng kailangan niya binigay na. Papirmahin mo yung tao. Then pumunta ka sa computer mo, take a look in a GP, the workload of your office. Then you would know to give an estimate of how many days should the office need to do its job. When mo come back on this date, in the afternoon at 3:30, and you will have your papers. Period. Nagkaintindihan tayo niyan, ladies and gentlemen in the government service. Yan. Walang exception, walang extension. Now, kung meron man at mag-complain, diretso yan sa ombudsman or to me. Then I will order the investigation and I would act upon myself if I can meet you something like a suspension or dismissal, I will do it. Wala akong marami. Alam mo kasi kung bakit. Maraming sa labas na kailangan ng trabaho. Bakit ako magtiis sa inyo? Why would I endure attacks tapos sa incompetence pati sa katurpihan ninyo? I would not. Why would I suffer? Tayo ang dapat managot sa sarili ninyo. It's crazy for me to be absorbing all the attacks there. Tayo. The Commission on Civil Service should be able to come up with it's a constitutional body. So I can only request that they conduct seminars and things like that. For dito, punctuality, not only in attendance, but punctuality in the release and action on the papers of the public. Mas mabuti pag i-delay mo yung multimillionaires application, wag yung yung mahirap. Kaya mga milyonaryo, pwede sila magbalik-balik. The billionaires can always send somebody. Pero itong Pilipino, pabalik-balik siya. Now, I will create an office, Department of Overseas Workers. I'm getting a building, tingin ko yung post office, pero historical kasi yung post office. Para Manila, wala naman na gumagamit ng post office ngayon. Yaman ako, Dear Elsa, medyo biyudo na ako ngayon na hindi naman, pwede pa ba tayong magkita kung may panahon ka? Text lang naman nga. Love you. Love you too. Maski na illegal. Love you. Love you too. So, I plan to convert it to something very functional, very useful to the Filipino. Gusto ko yung government, yung public, applying for overseas. Huwag ninyong pabalik-balikin. Gusto ko yung Department of Foreign Affairs